So let's move to the second question. It says if an object covers a distance of 4 km with the speed of 17.5 km per hour, find the time taken by the object to the nearest second. So first of all, you know that the formula of finding speed is distance over time. So we will use the reverse formula. We know that speed equals distance over time. So we can say that time is equal to distance divided by speed. So now speed is distance is 4 and speed is 17.5. So you have to divide distance, which is 4, divided by speed, which is 17.5, and press equal. Now if you want to get your answer in hours, minutes and seconds, so you need to press this button, the same button without shift. So it's 13 minutes and 42.86 seconds. So you can say 13 minutes and 43 seconds. Okay, so let's move to the next question. There is another option in which whenever you want to do two calculations simultaneously, suppose you want to find out that whether x minus 5 into x plus 5 is equal to x square minus 25 or not, or you are doing two calculations and you want to see whether the two calculations are giving the same answers or not. So first of all, we should see what is the value stored in x. So in this model there is a separate button x equals, so currently the value of x is 5. So whatever it is, we will press the option bracket x minus 5 bracket close and another bracket x plus 5 and then bracket close. And to press equal, you should press alpha and then this calculate button. So now it's equal. Or if you want to do separate calculations, so press alpha and this button, integral button, and then x square. So x and then square minus 25. So once I press equal, in first equal I will get answer of the first portion, and then by pressing another equal I will get answer of the second portion. So for first it's 0 because the value of x was 5, so 5 minus 5 is 0, 0 times 10 becomes 0, and another part that is also 0. So let's try this by storing another value in x. Suppose x is 10, so 10 store x. So now 10 has been stored in the x equals, you can see now the value of x is 10. Let's try that thing again. What I will do, I will press bracket x minus 5 and in another bracket x plus 5 bracket close, and then alpha and then this button, and then x square minus 25. So first is 75 because 10 minus 5 times 10 plus 5, that is 15 times 5, which is 75, and in another we are also getting 75. So we can do two calculations at one time.